What's good with y'all niggas? Be back with another video. So today we're going to be continuing the 40 laws of power analysis series. Today we're going to be doing fucking law number fucking 8. Law 8. So what does it say? It says make all your enemies come to you. Bear in mind that I don't got the fucking titles right, but just know that I have the summary. I have summarized notes on them. So right, let's do this. I'll title it something. So yeah. So it's very important, right? In war, it's very important, especially in places like war, uh, or indirect, non-violent campaigns, politics. You believe, yeah, like that. To make sure that your enemy is very important for you to make your enemy come to you because this now gives you all the options to like think of it like this. Because if you read the 33 strategies of war, right? There are two sections, I believe. I'm not sure I haven't finished the whole book, but there's the defensive and there's the offensive strategies. So a strategy is one that it's not one where you have a set plan and you just fulfill the plan. No, a strategy is like where you have multiple options to pick from, multiple options that gives you the advantage, the leverage over your enemy. This is where when enemies attack first, when you attack first, we're not saying that it's bad, but there are times where you may have made a wrong mistake, you may have made a mistake, or you would have uh given your bread, you would have sold your bread. You know what I'm saying? People now know what you're finna do, right? So this is why when you making your enemies come to you gives you power. It leaves them on the defensive because they don't know what you're finna do next now, right? But bear in mind, this tactic is one of those people. This is where like there's something called the grand strategist. The grand strategist. 33 strategies or all like this, like that, like this grand strategist. This will require patience and critical thinking. You don't think in the now. You think then later, like probably months in advance. Even if that's not too short, maybe years. You know what I'm saying? You need quite a lot of patience because you cannot, because then like, you cannot be the one to attack first. Because once you attack first, your whole game playing so and with patience is gonna come frustration. And this is why it's very important for you to control your emotions and come up with plans to make them come to you, right? So maybe like this is like ideally this type of tactics is usually used for superiors, so that it makes you look good. Cause like if a superior is like throwing jabs at you and people get like let's say America goes on a war with I don't know um an island, Lesotho in South Africa, right? More than likely people are gonna be sympathizing with Lesotho, and now that he has Lesotho has the public's favor, they can do a lot with that kind of power. This is why it's very important when you're the weak one and there's a superior. It's very important to make the superior come to you. This makes them look bad and makes you look good. But then, of course, if the opponent is weak, just do first, get it over with. You know what I'm saying? Go. If your enemy is weak, there's no use of waiting. Just strike them when the iron is hot. You know what I'm saying? There has to be a balance, and you always have to think further steps ahead of your enemy. This is why, like, you don't just if you even if you're big and it's small, don't just strike. You know what I'm saying? Think. You strike, you know what to do next. You don't strike when then okay, now what? You wait. No, like going time is very important. Waiting can be a waste of time sometimes. So how do you make them your enemy come to you? You can do like indirect subtle attacks at them. You can maybe I don't know like in a press conference or something or during a public hearing, you can throw jabs at him right? And then just like not like you know what I'm saying, like you a bitch, like those overt ones, like you know what I'm saying, the indirect ones, you know what I'm saying, like those ones, the ones that politics use, and then or strike something that's very important to them, and maybe make sure they know that it's you. You know what I'm saying? Because so that they will come to you. All right, guys. That's fucking law number fucking 8. You know what I'm saying? Law number fucking 8. We're going crazy with this series. So don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Comment down below if you want a new book that I got, The Blueprint to Success. You know what I'm saying? Uh, comment down below your email and the words Blueprint to Success. I'll send it to you for free. It's a free ebook. I'll give you the PDF version. You can read about what I believe it takes for you to become the best version of yourself and also become and then also achieve your goals in it. Alright? Like, comment down below, subscribe, holler back at your boy. Shit.